Good morning, everyone. Today is February 21st, Tuesday. It's my dad's birthday. So, everyone tell Gary happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. I love you. So, just starting today's chores. Still having the sparrow problem in the chicken pen, so we bought a fake owl, and I'm gonna be working on that. So I came up to the shop to get some wire and all that kind of stuff. So as you can see, up at the shop right now, the barn. We got some more snow last night, and the wind is cranking. Whew. It's nice in here though. So I gotta get some wire and then we'll head down the chicken coop. I'm just thinking to myself, you know, I have the wire and I have this GoPro. How fun would it be to catch one of these guys and strap it to it and see what they're doing during the day? Probably nothing, would be my guess. But we'll save that for a warmer day maybe. Anyway, chicken coop, straight ahead. I don't know if you can see this owl. It's fake. Just having a problem with these sparrows, and other than me shooting at them every day, we need to find a different plan for it. So the tag on it had a picture of the sparrows with the big cross through it, so that means it works, right? So yeah, we're gonna try it, see what it looks like. Check this out, the head moves and everything. It's pretty realistic. It's a bobblehead.
Bobblehead.
Yeah. So, gotta finish it up. Well, that's done. Check it out. Teresa's cleaning the coop right now, and there was one stuck where the chickens go in and lay their eggs, so she had some choice words for it. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but she's a little cranky today. 22 degrees with the wind chill. So there's Reba and Buster. They're just chilling out. Got more down there. This one's up here just chewing her cud. So along with the owl, I'm gonna hang some bird netting up, so when she's done in there cleaning, I'll go and do all that crap. So hold on. Alright, the netting is up. I don't know if you can see it real good, but blackened chicken wants to come in and lay an egg. Either that or she's curious, but check this out.
Don't get too close, she'll get scared.
This is Grey Poupon. She's sitting on a bunch of eggs. Hi, chicken. Nothing? What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing? Okay. And then, of course,
Get out.
Billy. She just wants to devour.
Alright, close it up.
Anyway, we are done with chicken detail. I think this is Emmy Luke. Hi, Emmy. What are you doing today? You wanna lick it? Here they all come up for water. And Teresa,
I put an egg in my pocket.
she forgot that there
Oops.
was an egg in her pocket. And it broke. Weird. Alright, I think we're about done. It's 40 degrees, supposed to get to today. And
You got eagle down there. I see it right now.
no, there's an eagle down there. And then the cold hits tonight and the next couple days. That's a crow. So, anyway, I'm sure I was just filming the sky right there. Anyway, if we do anything else, we'll, oh yeah, we are going to do something else. We're going to start the little lift thing for the camper thingy. I don't know what it's called. Rooftop camper for the Jeep. So, put you on for that. Just wanted you to see what 24-mile-an-hour winds look like. Pretty awesome flagpole. So we're just starting this little project in the garage, and we just unwrapped it. It's a Smitty built hardtop rooftop camper, and I don't know if it'll pick it up, but
I'll go get the lantern.
this is what it's like inside. And me and Teresa are I don't know if it's grossed out or what, but it kind of reminds us of a coffin. So hopefully that's not the case. So, anyway, on to the build. Basically, it's going to the Jeep is usually parked in this side here, and I'm going to put it this way in the garage, opposite of where it should go. But thinking you just back the Jeep in and then get it to like here-ish, and then we can lower it down onto the actual rack of the Jeep, and then spin it around to where we need it. So fingers crossed, that's what we're hoping for anyway. So take a video here and there of the build. We're in the garage working. This is my helper. Are you scared of the camera? Anyway, this baby, she's sitting next to the fire. So what we have is pulley system. It's gonna go, there's gonna be pulleys up there and rope, and then they're gonna go to that wall and down, and then it should hoist the whole thing up. So we'll see if that works. Hopefully it does. I don't know if it will. Okay, I think we're finally there. So, oh, sorry. Look up there, that's where knot's gonna be on this one. Then it's gonna come down to that pulley and then back up to that pulley, over to the wall and down on both sides. And ideally, it should work. If it doesn't, you won't see another video like this again. So let's see what happens. All right, we haven't lifted anything yet, but just to give you an idea. So the whole pulley system, that comes down. So ideally, you just pull this and everything will raise. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Like I said, if this doesn't work, you won't see the video. Okay, well, We survived.
Nothing fell on our head.
Yeah. It's kind of a bugger getting it down off or up off the ground because it was such a long distance. But there's the finished product. Thing's 175 pounds.
Yeah.
And without the pulley system, there you can see a good portion of it. With the pulley system, it takes the weight by, I don't know how much. I'd have to calculate that all out, which I'm not going to do. But anyway, that was the objective, get the damn thing off the ground so it wasn't in our way. And it worked. So now you get to see the video. Well, we're done. And it turned out pretty okay. Definitely not a professional system, but works for us. I'm having a victory cigar.
I'm having a victory drink.
Teresa's
I
sitting.
survived his anger.
She's sitting by the heater, so she doesn't get cold in the insulated garage. So that's it. Super windy today. Thinking about a hot tub. I don't know if that's gonna work with the wind. So
Single digits are coming tomorrow.
yeah, it's gonna get cold. So anyway, thank God that worked, because I don't know what I would do. Anyway, see you on the next one. Morning, everyone. It is Thursday, and the weather has hit officially. Come on, dogs. It is -5 out right now, without the wind chill, which I think the last time I looked was like a negative 10 or something like that. I don't know. I just know it's freaking cold. There's the chickens. So we'll give them some. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Give them some worms. Still fighting with the sparrows. Dumbass things. But I'll win. One way or the other. Yeah, I like them. They're kind of gross, but Kootenai's been out here. He's right there, which means that they are frozen, which that's a problem. So now I got to go get some tools, and so much for the float heater. We'll get her banked up though. I'll turn you on back in a second. Okay, well, we busted through. It was, the ice is probably 2 to 3 inches thick. Kind of cold. Had to put another trough heater in it. There's a spoiled one. It's one of the heifers. So, we I'm gonna go see what they have for eggs for us. This will be a quick quick video because it's too cold out here to do much of anything. See what those sparrows do? They're worthless animals. I will win though. Alright, all the eggs were, well, you've seen the 3. One was chewed in half thanks to the sparrows. The other 2 are frozen solids, so that happens when the temperatures are like this, I guess. So I'm just waiting inside the greenhouse. Dogs are trying to eat the frozen eggs that I threw in the field. It's not, there's Kootenai. It's not extremely warm in here, but it's a heck of a lot better than standing outside waiting for the trough to fill. So anyway, still haven't worked on that UTV for the fire department. I got a couple other things that I need to do down there too, so all in good time, like when the weather warms up. So anyway, I think that's it, unless something really exciting happens today, but I'm guessing not. So hope everyone's having a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Hello everyone. I'm not sure if it's morning still or not, but if it is, good morning. It's the 25th February today. As you can tell, it's an absolutely stunning, beautiful day. Just finishing up my little side job thing, installing door locks, automatic door locks for the fire department. So I think me and the Billy are going to, where's she at? There she is. I think we're gonna head to town and do a little shop at Costco. I need to get some flowers for my beautiful wife. So, and we need a few other fruit things and stuff. So anyway, hope your weekend is good. Talk to you soon. Well, in the shop now. 2 more mice in the camper, which is common. I don't know that we'll ever not have mice problems, but maybe one day we'll get a cat. Who knows? So anyway, I'm just measuring out where the loft is going to be. So we'll go off of, this is the east side here, and that's the north side. So we'll go off of that post right after this one, kind of in the center. It's going to come out 12 feet, and then it's going to be to that post, which is 16 feet. Obviously where this post is, I'm going to have to put a post in there too for support. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a hold of my brothers on this one. It's looking like one's the construction guy, one's the architect guy, so both are way smarter than me. So just kind of checking things out. Other than that, dang, I miss summer. The fishing boat, it's all dusty, and actually the mice haven't really invaded it too awful bad. I think they're having a grand old party in the frickin' campers. So anywho, I think that is probably it. I might throw some nuggets for the cows, probably not, I don't know. Teresa's inside cleaning. We have Casey and Jessica coming tonight. They're the owners of Straight Six Archery. Good friends of ours, so looking forward to having them over and spending some time and catching up. So Anyway, my other buddy, Joshua, everybody say hi, Josh. He is flying today. He actually flew over around noon. A little Cessna looking thing, it looked like. And right now he's flying and I don't know planes, so if I get this wrong, shame on me. But right now he is flying to Tahoe, or flying co-pilot, a Falcon jet. He sent me a picture of it. It looks pretty badass. So he's flying to Tahoe from Hamilton to pick up, he said, some people. He used different terminology for it, which I won't say, but it's kind of funny. So yeah, good for him, man. I'm excited for him, actually. A little jealous and envious, but that's all right. I'll do the farming thing. Anyway, here's the knotheads. Hi. You taste the camera? Yeah. She'll actually try to eat it, probably. Buster the Bull's over there. You don't stay out of that harrow. Don't get your feet caught up in that. They're all looking healthy. Hopefully we have some babies on board. A couple of them. There's Reba back there. She always looks like she's pregnant. Low to the ground and very wide. And Buster the Bull. Haven't seen him practice for the last few weeks, so I would imagine the cycle has ended on the one he was chasing around. So anyway, man, I cleaned up the garage. Didn't really do anything else. Oh, new addition to Welsh Farms. That's to haul hay. And the tractor, because we need to take the tractor at some point over to Idaho. So anyway, beautiful day. Not real warm out. It's probably 36, 38. A little windy, but it's better than below zero any day, which in the forecast that crap seems to be coming back. Hopefully not, but it's in the 10-day forecast, so please don't let that happen. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon. I forgot to show you this. I'm still doing chores, by the way. So last week when we had the cold temperatures and stuff, our cow trough heater, I don't know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know what the story is, but got this fancy new floating one. Maybe it was a couple cold snaps ago. Anyway, the cows, being how curious they are, you know, the thing was just floating on top. So of course they lick it and bite at it and drug it out. So I thought, well, I'm going to teach them. I'll just do a little zip tie thing and zip tie it to the rails so it just stays right in the trough. But in hindsight, yeah, that wasn't a very good idea, because hopefully I didn't ruin the tub. It kind of looks like I did, but I'm gonna try some JB Weld and hopefully that works. So we'll give that a shot. Anyway, we'll consider it Dan 0, cows 1 so far.